Hello, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Foreign. See if we could make some money today. Welcome to another episode of Foreign. I'm trying to fix my stream so I could see the stuff. Uh, man, I don't even know how this works. Alright, good morning again. Let's get this show on the road. Where's my glasses? So today we have red folder news for CAD pair. So let's see how that goes. Not looking to trade a CAD pair today. I'm looking to trade GJ. So today is basically week 3 of the 192 days run. So at the moment, I'm looking for a buy on GJ. Gold, I'm looking for a buy on gold as well. Where is it? US 30 is ranging. AUSD is ranging as well. The next, so it's basically GJ and Euro USD. I'm looking for trades on mostly GJ though. I'm mostly interested on GJ. So we got that rejection that I wanted to see on the 12 hour. So honestly, it's just getting the right entry. So we currently trading between the 20 and the 50 EMA. I would like to see price go above, but on the 12 hour, if we're about to take buys, we're basically anticipating our price is gonna break above the 20 EMA. On the 6 hour, we're currently rejecting that 50 EMA. Not something I would like to see. I'd like to see we break above the 50 EMA. so this is the daily low. Honestly, on the 45, I wanted to see a change of character before going long. So we have this inverse. This is not a fair value gap. The daily low is sitting within a fair value gap. So we retrace 61%. I honestly would like to see a higher low before placing buys, but I already know where I want to have my stop. I want to have my stop just right at this inverse, not inverse, bullish fair value gap. Guess I would take it at the midpoint of the fair value gap. Just make sure I want my stop below a 4 hour. It is below the 4 hour. So if this 4 hour candle that we're in right now create a displacement, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Looking for that retest. We also have this um, fair value gap. Honestly, I don't see price coming this far, nor do I want to see price come this far. But it's not what I want to see. It's what the market want to do. But we just gotta be patient and stick to the plan. So let's see. Patience is key. Oh, I know it's not really important to y'all, but I've been profitable, man. I have been profitable. Your boy, I've been profitable. So guys, Euro Euro USD, it looks very interesting on the 45 minute for a buy, but not for the 1 hour. We haven't created a higher low, so I don't like that. Not gonna take it as of yet. The 12 hour still respecting this resistance, so we could still reject and go lower. But what I like about it is we're maintaining this external fib. We're respecting the 61%. Not my favorite area to buy from, but it's doable. Like what I said, right now the main focus is gonna be on GG. Man, it's so boring. Anyone knows when World Cup starts? All right, man. Let's look at something else while GJ do his thing. Let's look at um, US 30. Change of character, break of structure. So now all we need is a pullback. That's it, man. We ain't gotta do too much to that. Like this is the one that I didn't really analyze. AUUSD, like AUUSD last week I was looking to go long and AUUSD, but I didn't get the confirmation. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm still interested in going long because we've been in this range. Been in this range and it makes no sense, you know. Yeah, my indicator print to buy, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna buy right away. I don't see the confirmation for a buy. We're just in this nasty range. Doesn't even make no sense going down to a lower time frame. Let me look at my other watch list. TBP USD, not really interested in that. Ugh, Nas was ranging and right now it's dropping out of that range, breaking out of that range, I should say. Let's see if the indicator got that short. Nope, didn't caught that short. It didn't. It didn't. This is the bro. This is the trade that I'm upset about. Like Euro CHF. No. Oh my god. Euro CHF. It respect my fib to the T, but I just didn't have that confidence in me to take it. Let me see. All right, 12 hour. We created this high. That's why I think that's the reason why I didn't take it, because you can see right here we have that change of character. We're trying to shift bullish. So right now we could be bullish, but it's just that we haven't tapped into a higher time frame fib. So I don't want to take a buy on it without that confirmation. So on the lower time frame now, at the time, price was trading around here where I was like, yes, I could take buy, but the buys are not really profitable in my eyes. Like from right here to there, that's just 50 points, and I want 75 points. Now I marked out this area that I wanted to see price sell from. If you watch previous stream, you would see this is the area and we sell from there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I just didn't like how it was looking, you know. I, 4 hour, 4 hour, like 1, 2, 3. I know we could sell from the third, but didn't take it, man. Didn't take it. I didn't take it. Oh, one crucial thing I didn't do, I didn't look at my weekly time frame. So I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot for y'all to process, but bear with me. Whenever I'm on a pair, I'm gonna explain what I'm seeing. This is my system. Alright, Euro NZD. Euro NZD. I was gonna go long on Euro NZD. It would have played out, but you could see price eventually break to the downside. So this is the area that I wanted to take price from. We did give what I'm saying. Price did give me that pullback, but I just didn't like the type of pullback. I wanted a solid pullback, not this wick like what price did. I didn't like that wick, so I didn't take the buys. But you can see it played out. So basically, I'm going over last week's trade. So last week trade, Euro NZD would have played out. Euro CHF would have played out. So that's two trades that would have played out for the week. And it was just unfortunate that I took the one that didn't. Even this one played out. Crazy. What's this? NZD CAD. NZD CAD, I was looking to go long on NZD CAD, but I didn't get the confirmation that I wanted, so I didn't take it. But it did play out. It did play out for a long. Still don't like how it looked. Still not looking for a buy opportunity on it as of yet. Like, the year just started. Trust me, the year just started. There's gonna be a lot of opportunity to capitalize from. So I'm not even rushing to just enter any trade just like that. I want to make sure the trade that I'm entering, nothing is guaranteed, but I'm trying to make sure the trade that I'm entering, I'm gonna bank on it. All right. So this is the pair that I took last week. I took this one last week. Let me do this. Entry, stop loss. That's where it should be. This was a break-even trade, wasn't a loss. So we could remove this. We could remove all of these things. So unfortunately, you can see last week we had, I think, 3 pairs that would have played out, and I took the one that was just NZD USD. Like, what? I was gonna hold NZD USD, but I think I'm getting more mature within my trading. Well, what do I mean is, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna hold over the weekend. Every Friday I'm gonna close out. I'm not gonna hold trades over the weekend. Like, I still see the possibility of NZD USD going down. I still, because I have my area right there, which is this one was the first where we had that reaction. Boom. Now we have this second one where we could have a reaction to continue going down. So let's see. Like, honestly, I know I was early within the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th leg, where the 5th leg could do that sell. So let's see. That's the 4 hour, the 12 hour. It's gonna be the first. If it creates a lower high in the 12 hour, it's gonna be the first lower high. So let's see. The DXY. So for DXY, the reason why I was like, I'm not gonna hold NZD USD over the weekend, DXY didn't give me that break and close above the 61% on the daily time frame. You can see we're still respecting it, So that's why I didn't be like, I'm gonna hold on to it. And the rest of these pairs I have not analyzed. So right now I don't have much to work with. You know, that's it for those pairs. That's it, man. Oh look, let's go back to GJ. So that's the quick run through. Let's see if we could get a W on GJ, man. I've been waiting. Man, GJ, it's been like 2 weeks since I've been waiting for a trade on GJ. No shade. 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks. When I used to trade just GJ, I would be getting L's. Because I'm only trading GJ. But now I have options where I have multiple pair where I could look at and make sure they're aligned the way I want it. Yeah. All right. So right now on GJ. So on GJ on the 45 minute, I don't like how the 45 minute is looking. We created relative equal eyes. So for me to take a buy on GJ, I wouldn't want to enter here. I want more confirmation. So this entry is my first approach, which is the aggressive approach. I have a conservative approach where I'll wait to see price give me that change of character, give me that break of structure, and then I would look for it. So under 45 minute, we don't have that change of character. We're wick, we haven't broke and close above it, so we haven't had that change of character. The 1 hour, we're not showing bullish structure as of yet. So I'm not even gonna rush into a trade. I want the best of the best. So I'm not gonna rush. Like for the 1 hour, the change of character would be all the way up here, which is Thursday high. We want to take out Thursday high for a change of character. This is Friday high. We was trying to take Friday high, but we didn't. We swept Friday high. So at the moment, we could see we have a a bearish structure. It's not confirmed as of yet. We have, so it would be 1, 2, 3, and if we create 4, then I retest 5, then we could continue going lower. That's how it would play out. But for now, it's mutual. We have a bullish structure, which is the higher time frame external, and we have a bearish pullback. So I'm not gonna treat this as, the market is shifting bearish as of yet, because the daily time frame still is intact for a bullish momentum. So on the 4 hour, I want to see a displacement, but it seems like we're not gonna get that displacement, and I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna rush into a trade. We're just gonna wait patiently for a setup on GJ. Man, this AC is too cold. More people be looking at me dumb because it's winter and I have AC on. Georgia, peace. What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? Big mama, big mama. So chat, we're gonna be here until 7 a.m. We're trading London through New York, and then we're gonna come back for New York session at 9 to 12 p.m. All right, like if I'm supposed to be like professional and sticking to my plan, honestly, for this session, there is no trade opportunity. There is no trade opportunity, and it makes no sense to sit on the chart and FOMO into a trade where you don't see a setup. So honestly, I'm not gonna FOMO into a trade. I'm gonna stick to my plan, follow my rule, execute. Like, well, it's a 192 days run, and I'm looking to capitalize off 16 compound out of 192. So I'm not in a rush. I'm not rushing a trade. I'm not rushing the process. None of that. So with that being said, I'm ending this stream because it makes no sense to sit and look at the chart where I know the opportunity is not there right now. So yeah, I'm about to end this stream and I'll come back New York session. So until then, I'll see you guys in another live.